YouTube, Sawadee Krap Tukon. Today I'm at the Avani Riverside Hotel in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm on my way to the long bar, which is located on the 11th floor, and it is right next to the reception desk. Thank you.
So here's your lamb shank.
Thank you very much. What I have here is the braised lamb shank with polenta, feta, and baby carrot. And my drink is the tea and berry, which is Thai tea, mixed berries, and lemon juice. Wow, this looks really, really good. If it's hot out there and you're not in the mood for an alcoholic drink, then this would be your drink of choice. This tea and berry is so refreshing. My lamb shank is super tender, and yes, it is the star of this dish. However, this polenta is incredible. It really takes me back to my childhood days. The Avani Hotel has this cool and spacious fitness center and is located right below the swimming pool. If you do want a gym with a bit more equipment, then this 24-hour gym is also in this complex right underneath the hotel. This actually used to be my fitness center I used to come to, but I got lazy. The hotel is conveniently located on top of the Riverside Mall, and there's a bunch of eateries here too. Many fast food places, including a 24-hour Burger King. There is Taco Bell, Bonchon, very nice restaurants. Benihana is right here too, as well as Spice and Barley. It is very convenient to come from the shopping mall and go straight up into the hotel. You don't even need to go outside. If you have watched even just one of my videos, you will know that I'm a very big fan of hand sanitizer in the elevators or even just in the lobbies. Yay! The lobby of the Avani is located on the 11th floor, and you might wonder why it looks like this. It's because they have an exhibition here which is opening tomorrow. This is room 2309. It is a Avani Panorama River View room with 30 square meters of floor space and a great view. Ooh, I love little 5-star spoilers like these. Look how beautiful this is. And I thought this was a welcome letter or maybe a pack of postcards. It's not. It's 61% dark chocolate. I can imagine sitting here in this very chair, reading a book, looking at the view every now and again, having a cup of coffee or cappuccino. I'm in room 1701, and this is an Avani Riverview Junior Suite. I have a well-stocked mini bar, and there's quite a selection of hard liquor over here. And this is cute. Welcome to the Avani Plus. It's time to drink, dine, and dance. Who doesn't like double vanities, right? They use Melanie Getz products here. And yes, I had to Google how to pronounce this. The hotel has 250 rooms and suites, and you do not need to be picky about the view because all of the rooms and suites have river views. I still have some filming to do around the hotel, but I cannot wait to come and lay my head down here tonight, enjoy this bed and this beautiful view. As you can hear, it's nice and vibey here, but it's not just here, it's the whole hotel. In the elevators, the lobby, it's all like this. The feeling I get when I come to this hotel is a feeling of being energetic, young, vibey, yet still elegant. And the service here is really fantastic. I dumped some of my equipment out onto the bed before I left my room, and when I came back, the turnaround service had actually neatly lined up every piece of equipment on the bed. love the light that comes in here on the 11th floor. I'm on my way to the Skyline for some breakfast. So far everything has been great. The room is really comfortable and the shower is nice and hot, and the service, well, no complaints there. All the staff are super attentive and really take care of everything that you might need. Fried tomato, sauteed mushrooms, bacon, grilled chicken, pork sausage, chicken sausage, some salad, eggs benedict times 2 because I can, latte, apple juice. I think I'm all set. Now, that was really a good breakfast. Those eggs benedicts were amazing. It's very relaxing up here. Some lovely music playing. The view is fantastic. And this hotel here down below me is the Anantara Hotel, also a very nice hotel. I love my little spot here next to the jacuzzi. Lying here in the sun got me really lazy, but I need to wake up because there's one more thing to show you. I'm at Mocha&Muffins Riverside for some pastries. There are so many good things here. I do not even know where to start. They gave me quite a bit of food here. This is the New York Bomber sandwich. That is the sausage roll. This over here is the red velvet cake. This is a blueberry muffin, apple muffin, and red roadrunner smoothie. Wow, I can barely walk after all of that. The muffins and the red velvet cake, well, those are always a winner. The sausage roll was huge, and the sandwich was even more huger. I really like the smoothie, that beetroot and ginger, very refreshing. Downstairs in the shopping mall, right below the Avani Hotel, is this clinic over here, and they do Botox, fillers and facials and a whole bunch of other things too. I actually come here, so they have my vote of confidence. Very chok di, as the Thai people say, it means good luck, because just before checkout time, the exhibition has been set up. It only opens tomorrow, but fortunately I was able to see it right now to show you what the exhibition looks like. The exhibition is here until January 31st, 2022, and it is called Quantum Kawaii. I was very fortunate. The curator of this exhibition just gave me a demonstration of the VR painting. Truly amazing. What a superb stay. I cannot believe that I was here for only one night. I had such a relaxing time. It feels like I was away for like a week. And neither can I believe that I'm gonna go home to my condo just down the road. It feels like I was in some tropical or exotic place for the past 24 hours. I'm just waiting for my VIP taxi to arrive. And there we go, my taxi is here. I absolutely love my VIP cab taxis. They are so cool. Let me show you inside. This is seriously the only way I travel in Bangkok these days. These cabs are always clean, these armrests are great. You can charge your phone from here too, and there's so much space. Let me show you. Look at that. I can't even touch the other side.